Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. I am in Arizona on an absolutely gorgeous day, and I am going after some pennies from heaven. We're out here on the trail, and I am with John, or Dakota Dawgs. So how are you doing, John?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing good. This is an absolutely gorgeous hike that we're on this morning. How did you find this location?
Well, there's the oldest cache in Arizona is close by, so I figured I'd get close to that and I'd get a lot of traffic.
Yeah, that sounds really cool, because I think while we're out here, since it is so close, I think we're going to probably go grab that one too. But we did pick a great morning. I mean, it's only about 67 degrees right now in the desert, and just a great walk, and just seeing a lot of different trails from animals and everything. It's just really cool out here.
Well, this is Bulldog Canyon. A lot of people come out here, go hiking and horseback riding and off-roading. It's a popular place around.
All right, so this is just an absolutely gorgeous walk out here. Walking through all these cactuses and brush, and just seeing the mountains in the background. Of course, from those of us that are living in Charleston and it's flat, it's great. I mean, just seeing this different. I don't think too many people realize the beauty that is in the desert when it's in bloom. Okay, so we are here at GZ for Pennies from Heaven. And let me tell you, this view is absolutely gorgeous. Just so right here in front of me over here, back this direction, is the sun's just coming up right over the butte. Just seeing the cactus and just the view from this area is really breathtaking. All right, but we're here, and I'm gonna start looking for this cache. Now, it's called Pennies from Heaven, and as I'm looking around all on the ground, there's pennies everywhere. So now, I gotta find which penny has the actual cache in it. I mean, there's pennies that look like they've been here forever, and then there's some pennies that haven't been that long. Boy, my grandfather would have a heyday out here. He picked up every single penny he ever found. That's just a handful. Not even a handful. And there's like, I don't know, there's probably about $30 to $40 out here just in pennies. So I finally found it after searching around, looking for the pennies. The thousands and thousands of pennies are all over the floor of this desert, and wow, finally found the right penny. What was very cool about finding this cache is that, John, you were telling me some logs that you've gotten on this one, especially one in particular that was kind of special. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, a cacher named Team Bulldog sent me an email telling me about the time that he spent with his son here at Pennies from Heaven before his son, I believe was 32 years old, died of cancer. He said that he came back out here by himself and just spent some time here, staying in here at Pennies from Heaven, thinking about his son and thinking about the good times that he had with his son. It really touched my heart, and it really made me realize that maybe this game is a little bit more than just going out and looking for Tupperware boxes in the woods.
Right. Now, I know as a cache owner, those are the logs that make it for us.
Yes, it's all about the logs.
It's about the logs. Those out there that just want to leave just the thank you for the cache, you know, that's good maybe for like a park and grab or something. But the caches that people actually put thought into, please put more into it, because you may be going for the smiley, but your logs make us smile and even sometimes cry. Now, something I did find in there, and I believe in that message, they left some path tags commemorating their son. And right here's one of them, don't give up the fight. And it's the pink ribbon for cancer. So I got this one, left one of mine here, Baker 6 Clan, and this was just amazing, just the view. I can understand why they came up here and just kind of sat down and just reflected on their son's life.
Just wanted to mention that the son's name was Stephen, and we're standing out here and we're thinking of Stephen and his father.
Yes.
Thank you, Team Bulldog.
Thank you, Team Bulldog, for that awesome and wonderful log. So Pennies from Heaven is also really close to the oldest geocache here in Arizona. So we were only about 1,500 feet or so away from it. So while we're out here, we're gonna go grab that one as well. There it is, the oldest geocache here in Arizona. Really unique name here in Arizona. It's called, ready for this? Geocache. John and I just finished getting the oldest geocache here in Arizona. John, thank you once again. This is just such a beautiful location, and didn't think I was going to get a chance to actually hike here in Arizona. So I thank you for bringing me out.
Well, I'm just glad that you made the time to come out and share a couple hours with me.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, so we got about a mile and a half hike back to the vehicles. And I just want to thank you for joining Behind the Cache. If this is your first time, hey, subscribe. Push that button over here, subscribe. Give me a like or leave me a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. And tell me, what is your oldest geocache that you have found? We'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.